In Webflow, creating a slider allows you to display multiple images or content slides in a visually appealing manner. Here's how to use a slider in Webflow. Add the slider component. Drag and drop a slider component from the Components panel onto your page. Place it where you want the slider to appear. Set up slides. Click inside the slider component to access the slide settings. By default, you will see one slide. Add more slides as needed using the +Add Slide button. Add content to slides. Customize each slide by adding content such as images, text, buttons, or other elements. Each slide functions as a container for your content. Style slides and navigation. Use the Style panel to adjust the appearance of slides, including background colors, borders, and text styles. Customize navigation arrows or pagination dots to match your design. Configure slider settings. Set slider settings such as autoplay, slide duration, and transition effects. Responsive design. Ensure your slider is responsive by adjusting settings for different breakpoints. Use Webflow's responsive design tools to preview and optimize the slider's appearance on various devices. Preview and publish. Use Webflow's preview mode to test how the slider functions on your live site. Once satisfied, publish your site to make the slider visible to your audience.